more flavonoids in them. This is a proven fact. No, because reds have more, so flavonoids are antioxidants, and red wine has more of those in it. So it's actually like
can you come back
healthy.
out? I think AJC's
In moderation.
I'm at the jail.
Have you ever had kosher Jewish wine?
No.
No, that's dangerous. It tastes like grape juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They called me in. You get to see. You get to see me in session. What are you doing? Going to work out?
It tasted like beer.
Oh, that's not AJC. Okay, we're gonna just start.
It could just sneak up on me. It wasn't the strongest, but it was,
I'm here with the
well,
news.
So kind of like Jack and Coke.
somewhat, yeah.
Like you're fine, all of a sudden you're.
Yeah, but it was like
Spanish.
really sweet.
Yeah, it's open. Yeah, but I wouldn't say use it for now.
Sometime I might have some people over.
Probably good use it.
I had people
What was
over.
it?
I wanna say
Oh, you talking about here at the jail?
before you started. It was fun.
Yeah, but you may not
Drinks
be
there,
able to
pizza,
access
and,
the computer because they're locked.
Houston really liked Joe Ripley. He was backing up.
I don't even have the keys to my office. I left it because I didn't
So you
want
just
to
look,
come back.
like I heard him laughing,
I think that
and
might be
he's like, like he forcefully like shoves his butt in his.
I didn't know what I said. I think AJC just pulled up.
Masters.
Not today, thank goodness.
I just got, what did I say?
And of course they want you live.
As soon as AJC gets in. Well, I was waiting on that.
You what?
So I'm surprised we don't have anybody live.
I'm very surprised too.
Thank you, friend.
You have a 6.
But that means you guys are doing something like crazy exclusive.
That's what I'm saying.
Right, that's right.
Yeah.
Y'all usually have everything together, so.
Do we?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
you're
That's how it
I'm
appears.
from the outside looking in, that's why
Wow.
I'm speaking, so.
I'm fooling everybody.
Y'all doing a good job of that, so.
Okay, so I think AJC is here. So once she gets up here, we'll start.
Just a little mic check.
Sit
Little
down.
mic check for me.
Oh, my name?
Sure.
Jedediah Canty. Let me go meet her at the door.
This is every time. That's another one. So it's either on the floor, there, or like up for like trying to. My bed. That's when I was editing.
False alarm, and that's an AJC, it's Fox 5.
So
Sir, I'm gonna need you to silence your phone. Don't come up here and mess up my interview.
Do you have a piece of paper or anything to write notes?
I don't. I
Right,
don't.
can you step back across?
Okay. Okay.
Everybody ready? You can start by giving us your name and spell it and title.
Okay. My name is Jedediah Canty. I'm the Public Information Officer at Rockdale County Sheriff's Office, and the spelling is Jedidia. Canty is Canty.
You guys are investigating a homicide that happened overnight. Can you give us some details?
Okay, so at approximately 3:20 this morning, Rockdale County deputies responded to a shooting. It was at the Lake St. James apartment complex in Conyers. Upon deputies' arrival, they observed the black male, lying on the ground suffering from a gunshot wound. Unfortunately, the victim did die on the scene. We do have a suspect. His name is going to be, what is his name? His name is Jamichael Jones. We currently do have warrants for his arrest, but right now he's not in custody.
Is there any connection between the victim and the suspect?
So there is no connection. What we know and what I can tell you is that Mr. Morel Orr, which is the victim, was visiting a female friend at the complex, and Mr. Jamichael Jones did know the female, and it was a domestic situation.
Do you have any
A love
leads on
triangle.
where he might be at this time?
We don't have any leads. We did search the known locations that we thought he may be at, but we did not have any luck finding him.
Do you say it's a love triangle?
No, it's not a love triangle, not at all, because he was, the victim did not know the suspect.
Was the female with the victim? Did they ride together to the complex, or he went to visit her?
I don't know that. I just know they were together at the apartment complex.
What would you say, what message would you have for the community who lives in that area, who lives in that complex, who might be afraid for their safety?
I wouldn't say that this has anything to do with the area. I think it was an isolated situation. It was a domestic situation. We are asking the public for their help in locating Jamichael Jones. He is from the Atlanta, Jonesboro area that we know of.
What words can you share about the victim? Obviously, he's a known person, and this is a lot of people have feelings about it. It's gotten a lot of attention.
Yes. From what I know, I believe his name was Trouble. And he is an Atlanta rapper. Unfortunately, I don't have too much information on it because I don't follow rap. But I know that there is a lot of people that are really upset right now, are brokenhearted about the situation.
Can you say how many times he was shot?
He was shot one time. He was shot in the chest.
Was he awake or sleeping? Do you know anything?
I don't know that. Mm-mm.
Have you all been in touch with any family members? I'm assuming if you put the name out, you have
Yes.
talked to them. How are they feeling?
The mother is aware, and I'm sure she's not dealing with it too well. I don't know about any other family members, but the mother was notified.
Where in the complex was he shot? Was it inside, outside?
He was inside the apartment.
Is there any other details that you can share with us at this time? It seems the situation is a little...
So right now, the current warrants that we do have for the Jamichael suspect, is we have home invasion. So that does tell you that he was at home. Well, he entered a home, I'm sorry. We have felony murder, and we also have aggravated assault. So if that's a little bit more helpful.
Thank you. Is there a
Thank you.
phone number that people need to call if they have information or tips or anything like that?
So yes, we're asking the public if they know any or have any information about the incident, they can call the Rockdale County Sheriff's Office at 770-278-8188. Or you can call our main line at 770-278-8000.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.